In today's video, we're gonna unbox and review the Vanpore Ash Vacuum Cleaner. I'm gonna be unboxing the Vanpore Ash Vacuum Cleaner that I got on Amazon. Link in the video description. We're gonna see how this thing works. I have a wood stove that is filled with ashes right now. So let's have a look at it. We have a big box with a small box inside. It's definitely taped pretty well. It's not going to come loose in transit. Okay, so we have a couple tubes. I don't know what these are for yet. And you can see this is packed pretty well. It has this insert here. So this is tight in the box as well. I don't see this banging around or anything like that. It has another insert on the bottom that you can't see. I'm just gonna tip it upside down. Wow, that made a mess. So yes, it has this insert here, which helps hold it in place during transit. In the bag. And just looking at this, I don't see any damage or anything like that. It looks to be really in top-notch shape. There's no chipped paint or anything that I notice. So let's go find all the parts, which must be inside here. Here's a filter. I've got the that's not the wheel. That's something else. The hose, got directions, and I have wheels. So there's 3 wheels here. So I noticed these little stickers here. These must line up with where the wheels go because there's 3 of them. They just gotta. And it looks like, you just press that down in place maybe? Yeah, those just press down in place and they snap in, it looks like. I will say, getting the wheels on, it's a little bit difficult. Like, you have to push pretty hard, but it's not that bad, really. And the arrows, it doesn't matter if it actually lines up with the arrows. They're just giving you a general idea of where they should go. There's no notches here or anything that would make it so you have to put it in a certain spot. So I think you can put the wheels wherever you want on this. Okay, so those wheels are in place now, so I'm gonna flip it around. This is a fire prevention filter, so we're gonna put this on top just like that. Then this whole thing just kind of plops on top here. It's pretty simple how it goes together. It doesn't look like you have to line it up any particular way. You just kind of plop it on and close those snaps there. So we have this aluminum part of the hose, but you insert this in here. Let's see, which end is that? Oh, this goes in this end? What does it? It's tough to figure out which end this aluminum thing goes in. The instructions are not that great. You know, it looks like it's this end, but I don't really see why it should be. But, or how far in should it go? I guess that's all it does. It doesn't go all the way in, that's for sure. Then this other end goes in here. Let's see if it lines up anywhere. And you turn it clockwise. I guess that's in place. It feels a little loose. It really feels like it should go in better than that. Maybe is it counterclockwise? Let's see. It says turn it clockwise, but I literally just turned it counterclockwise. Yeah, actually, so in the directions it says to turn it clockwise, but on this, the picture shows you turning it counterclockwise to lock it, and clockwise unlocks it. So you're supposed to put that in and turn it counterclockwise. The directions are actually wrong there. I mean, it is easy enough to figure out, but still they're wrong and it's no good. This is how you connect attachments. Yeah, so this is the fat end, it goes on this. And this is the narrow end, it just kind of goes in there if you want to attach this. or I'm guessing you can attach this the same way. That is how it works. Yeah, that works okay. It's not the most secure thing, but it just kind of pops in place, but it's really not so bad, honestly. So far, I would say the assembly of this is pretty good, other than that one issue with the directions. And I'm gonna go test it out on my wood stove. I have a big pile of ashes in there right now. You can see how it works. Okay, so right here we have a big giant mess of ashes. The previous vacuum I had would have clogged up a dozen times cleaning this. We'll see how well this does right now. Now obviously when you get a big piece like that, it clogs. That's to be expected, I guess. It is a little bit loud, but it's not unbearable, I can say. Let's try some more. Yeah, every time I get a big piece like this, it's gonna clog up, I think. I don't think there's anything that's gonna be done about that. Now that time it seemed to stop without getting clogged. So we'll see. I'm gonna try a little more. The filter might be clogged up at this point, but let's try some more. Yeah, so the filter is clogged. So it's gonna leave this. But it still did a lot. It did a lot more than my previous vacuum. So let's go outside and try to clean this out and see how that works. Okay, so I had to go back in the house and re-vacuum because I forgot to record. But let's clean this now. Now to do this, I'm going to turn the hose clockwise, not counterclockwise, like what the directions say, the other way. And I assume that the hose is completely clogged up. So let's just bang it. Yeah, see there's some ashes coming out of here. Yeah, take the hose off, bang it around, pop this up, and the filter's here. Now this, it doesn't screw on and off, it just kind of pulls on and off. And this is actually very clean. If it's dirty, you hit it with a paintbrush is what they say to do, but this is clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. And then this, that's where the dirt is. As you can see, you just kind of go like that and stay away from it as best you can. Yeah, that's just where the soot is, right there. And you can see all the soot that it collected is in here. So I do find that this vacuum cleaner actually does clean more than the previous one I had without getting clogged up, which I like. It's a little bit quieter, which is good too. And I do like this vacuum cleaner. I have a link to it in the video description if you want to buy it, or the QR code, you can get this exact model. I find that it does a pretty darn good job of cleaning those ashes. It took two rounds to clean all those ashes that were in that box there, and that was a lot. As you can see, that was a good amount of ashes that it cleaned out. So it did a good job. Link in the video description if you want to buy the thing. I recommend it.